First you need a beer to start cleaning fish. And these are the nannies I got yesterday. Keep them on ice all night. Tends to firm the flesh up a bit better. Alright, these are spiky little buggers. In here, it's like a razor. There and up in here. They'll cut you open, no worries. Plus the spikes on them. Have a look at these. Very spiky. Now I go about cleaning them. Follow this down here and then we'll run it up the backbone here. Get right up into the head here. Get as much meat as we can. And we'll follow, I'll dig in here and slowly come up. Just sort of mark it out. Then you should be able to just lift him up and you follow them backbones. Not hard. It was a beautiful day yesterday to get out and chase some of these. I was after tuna, but these are a good bycatch. Get through to here and then we'll run our knife right through the other side. Now before I take this fillet off, I like to flip him so his backbone's sort of flat. Keeps the same profile. Same thing this side, right up to the head, as much meat as you can. And from here, follow that backbone down this way. Just a little template cut first. Get the scales off. Lift him up and you're sort of aiming down, run along the spine. Same thing here, right through and right off. Now with the smaller ones, it's quite easy just to put your knife in here and crunch straight through the ribs like that. Follow it up. You should miss most of that guts. Follow them rib bones down. They're pretty solid scales, but there we go. One nice fillet. Now we can flip him back and do the other side. Same thing here. Through them ribs. Follow it up. There's no rush to this. You just want to salvage as much meat as you can. Which, there we go. Not too bad. You can see right through there, pretty translucent, so we've got as much meat off as we can. That's what we're after. Give our motor clean. Don't get fillets wet. And now, I just skin them. You can scale them and eat the skin as well, but I find this to be a much easier process. Fingers on here, a little nick in there. Nice flexy knife too. Thanks, Neil. Follow the skin, sort of lift it up a little bit as you go. You should be able to get that off, no worries. It's not hard, guys. But I guess if you clicked on this video, you've never seen how it's done before, so rightio. You can feel these bones here. Slowly run your knife in there. Got a bit of that gut to get off. You can feel where the bones go. Down in under them. Rip that meat off. there we have it, guys. Now you've only got some bones left, they run down here. Just a little V. And it's got pin bones in it there. So we'll take that out. There you have it. Beautiful fillet. If you want them the same size when cooking, I just chop it straight through. Two nice bits of meat. Absolutely beautiful. These are Nannygai too, in South Australia. You Queensland guys watching. They're not Nannygai, but yes they are. Right, let's do this one. Got them on old mate too, me cast glow jigs. Slow pitch jigging. These are perfect, absolutely perfect for Nannygai. Get them down at Tackle World, guys. Beautiful lure. Rightio. Same again this side, right through. Lift, hold the scales down. Straight through. Saves scaling them, doesn't it? Follow them bones down again. You can feel them on your knife. And follow the pin bones down this way. There you go, guys. That's it. Too easy. Absolutely delicious. You can trim that stuff up if you want a professional looking fillet. So there we go. Rightio. I'll get into doing the rest of these and have a deadly feed. There you go, guys. Easy as that, eh? Beautiful Nannygai. Can't wait to have a feed of this. Sorry I haven't put much other videos out, but I've been trying to catch the big barrel tuna, but been pretty elusive. So yesterday I drove over probably 2 dozen school of them. Trolled around them, trolled through them, just didn't want to touch the lures, so that's fishing, eh? Alright, there you go, guys. Simple. Just remember, take time, have a beer while you do it, and see you in the next one. Oh yeah! Oh, absolutely beautiful.